Good morning, Dolphins. I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Reagan. Welcome to DDN. Today is Monday, February 6th.
Let's start with our morning pledge. Everyone please stand.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for joining us in the pledge. I'm sure you all sounded outstanding. Our lunch menu came in late, so we present to you these slides of the lunch menu. Our birthdays also came in late, so we hope you enjoyed this slide presentation. Now, let's take a look at today's weather with Olivia.
Good morning, Nafino Dolphins. Today is a sunny day with a high of 49 and a low of 35. There will be a 13% chance of rain. Tonight there will be a high of 35 and a low of 31. It will be slightly windy. Tomorrow there will be a high of 57 and a low of 47. It will be mostly cloudy with a 12% chance of rain. Remember to be respectful, helpful, kind. Back to you.
Hello Dolphins, Dr. Stradek here. In a minute we're going to have an ST Math update, and it's been a little bit since we've had an update, so we have a lot of student names to share, and we also are going to recognize some classrooms that have made the most progress over the last few weeks. In addition, I wanted to share some news. We recognize students for great achievement in ST Math, and we're going to start doing the same for Achieve 3000. So when you're taking those Achieve tests, do your very best. I know that you do that. I know that you work hard on those Achieve articles. But we are going to start recognizing students and classes for Achieve 3000. So we will have certificates for students that have made a certain Lexile growth over a period of time. We're also going to recognize grade level achievements in Lexile, and we're going to recognize classrooms that have the best average first try score. So you know that first try score, we always strive to get 75% or greater, and that helps us and helps you move your Lexile. So moving forward, we're going to recognize the classrooms, we're going to recognize students, and celebrate Achieve 3000 in reading as well. So that's to come, but today we're talking about ST Math, so let's take a look at the students who have completed 100% of ST Math. Starting with Samantha H., Adia P., Corbin L., Lucas C., Shuria G., Maxim G., Ranvit S., Riham S., Ava B., Salvatore S., Ellie Y., Shruti G., Ibhan B., Akif C., Elise Z., Faizan S., Avi G., Ryan S., Aruba S., Dothry R., Alyssa L., Frank C., and Jenna H. Those are congratulations to all of those students. Excellent job, and keep up the great work. The class that contribute to this, every single student. In Mrs. Winter's kindergarten class, 89% progress overall. In first grade, Mrs. McGorry's class is 69% progress. In second grade, Mrs. Gelman and Mrs. Syed's class are tied at 37% progress. In third grade, Mrs. Gershman and Mrs. Dillon's class is at 48% progress. Fourth grade, Mr. LaGuardia's class has 46% progress. And fifth grade, Mrs. Glassberg's Block 2 class has 52% progress. Very well done to all those classes. Keep up the great work. And now we're looking at the classrooms that have made the most progress over the last couple of weeks. In kindergarten, we have Mrs. Winter's class makes 7% progress. In first grade, Mrs. Brown and Miss Bruno's class and Mrs. Lloyd's class tied at 6% progress. And second grade, Mrs. Hill's class made 15% progress. In third grade, Mrs. Gershman and Mrs. Dillon's class made 7% progress. In fourth grade, Mrs. Bartlett's Block 1 class made 3% progress. And in fifth grade, Mrs. Glassberg's Block 2 class made 9% progress. Very well done to everybody. Keep up the great work and have a wonderful day.
That's all for today. Have a magnificent Monday. Remember,
Fins up, dolphins!